So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that you don't miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what you are going to be expecting for the day on our EURJPY. So let's see what EURJPY is going to be giving us for the day. Starting with the trend, we can clearly see that our EURJPY is in an uptrend move. This is our overall trend, right? We are in an uptrend move. Market is what? Very much bullish, right? We are very much bullish. Now, guys, take a look at this 4-hour time frame. This is your high, and right, this is your high, this is your higher low. Market was able to pull back to give us an higher low. This is also the higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. You can see it, new higher high. This is the higher low, right, that market has given us, which made market to bounce up, right? Now it has come back to retest it. So with this retest, market has done, right? We should be expecting to continue to push up. This is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our EURJPY. So we should be expecting EURJPY to give us that bullish move, right? So this movement, market has now pushed up right here, right? Market has pushed up. Now, if you take a look at this movement right here, market has now given us a pullback. With this pullback, we should be expecting market to push up again till it is able to give us a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So above all, a bullish move is what we should be expecting for the day. Now, if in case there will be any changes to this prediction, as there's a possibility there will be, if in case there's going to be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So if you do not want to miss out on any updates, so make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.